Hi, Nick here at Sherwood Dodge. I'm going to show you a 2021 Jeep Compass 80th anniversary in gray. Beauty of a color. It's snowing and doesn't even look dirty. You got tons of options in here. It does have the Alpine upgraded stereo system. Let's go check out the inside. I'll show you this 2021 Jeep Compass 80th anniversary. Awesome options with the 8.4 touchscreen, navigation. You got your heated seats, heated steering wheel. You got your lane departure. It does have adaptive cruise control. Full leather in this. You got your panoramic sunroof. It's a beauty of a touching with the black interior as well. You got a remote start, power lift gates, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, tons of options in here. For more information and pricing, comment below or give me a call at 780-907-9334. Thanks. Have a great day.